There's no shame in starting again. Society often frames it as a step back, a sign that you didn't get it right the first time. But that's a flawed perspective. In fact, there's a profound beauty in it. It's an act of courage, a declaration that your story isn't over. It's the quiet, powerful decision to turn the page, even when your hands are trembling. Every new beginning means you've chosen hope over fear. You've looked at the wreckage of what was, and instead of staying there, you've decided to salvage the materials that matter. Starting over doesn't erase your past, it builds upon it. Those experiences, the wins and the losses, they aren't baggage, they are your foundation. The lessons are etched into you, the wisdom is now part of your DNA. You're not going back to zero, you're returning to the arena with a map of the terrain. You're going back wiser. So begin with small, deliberate actions. The first entry in a new journal, the first step on a morning run. These aren't just motions, they are rituals of renewal. They create momentum, a gentle current that pulls you away from the stagnant shores of yesterday and toward the open waters of tomorrow. And when you stumble, because you will, remember that a setback is not a stop sign. It's a course correction. It's feedback, not failure. Resilience is built in these moments of getting back up, of dusting yourself off and taking one more step, armed with new insight. This is how growth happens. Every single sunrise is a universal, undeniable proof that life gives second chances. It doesn't ask if you're worthy. It simply arrives and offers its light. Today is a new dawn. Don't just watch it happen. Breathe it in. Step into it. Take yours.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.